Alright everyone, it's Mr. John from AK Dragfish 3D. Today, we're going to unbox the Skyhawk folding video GPS drone. Now why did I buy a drone? Well, the way I see it, I could fly this here drone up, use the camera with my phone, and scout out fishing areas, so it makes it a lot easier than trying to do it with monoscope. Got my handy dandy box knife with my 3D printed box knife handle. Now this will be my first drone ever of respectable quality. Okay. Packing some people. Drone safety tips. Some drone safety tips. Here's a manual. Looks like it's got to have a funky, a very robust controller. It looks like the controller is going to need 3 AAA batteries. Sidekick! Find me 3 AAAs, please. It has 2 flight modes. Looks like, that's the controller. Alright, looks like it's gonna have 2 flight modes. Looks like I'm gonna have to install an app. Looks like it has some guardrails I can install under the props when I fold it out. And that's like the biggest thing of why I got it, is I can fold it up and stick it in my pack, and then when I'm out in the field, unfold it, fly it up, look around, bring it back down, so I kind of have like a bird's eye view of where I'm at. It's the whole premise of getting this drone. So, set them down, please. So it comes with power adapter, and a charging battery. The controller needs AAAs. And that seems to be the only crux, is the controller needs AAAs. Because I can follow this methodology of the aircraft battery and use a power bank and charge it in the field. Looks like I gotta go to an app store to buy an app to fly it. And then flight. How to fly a drone. Alright. Stop. Please do not return to store. Looks like another, like a pre-flight checklist inside a plastic bag. So let's open this up. Do not fly drone prior to completing the following checklist. And yeah, this looks like a calibrate aircraft remote controller, aircraft calibration, gyroscope, unlock it. And then unlock your aircraft. Oh, and the big reveal. Ta-da! Wow. It's a lot smaller than I anticipated it to be. So here's the battery, obviously in China. It's a 1500 milliamp battery. This might be the heaviest thing out of the entire kit. Here's the 4 guardrails the manual was talking about. So we'll set those aside. Here's the battery charging. So we click on like that, and then plug in via USB. Some spare propellers, spare antennas. So it comes with some spare parts, spare propellers and screws and a screwdriver. So that's good. A little quick self-repair kit, right? So we'll set that aside. And the controller. So let's pull the controller out. Here's the controller. So looks like it's got a variety of different functionalities here. The biggest thing here is trying to figure out how to open this up to put my phone in. Perhaps I should read the manual some more. Okay, so it looks like that's where my phone sits. So again, I'm going to have to read the manual a little bit more before I take this up for a spin. There's the controller. Now let's take out the drone. Nice and easy. Okay, and there's the drone. Nice and easy, right? Oh, look, this is cool. It's got stickers that say step 1, step 2. So the arms have to be unfolded in a specific manner. Looks like it's got a landing, some kind of couple landing feet on the front. And so let's unfold the rear arms first. So unfold this arm, then unfold the front arms next. Unfold this arm, and this arm. And there's the drone when it's unfolded. That's not a lot of footprint. That's exactly what I was looking for in a drone. Not a large footprint. I mean, I could craft a bag to put this in for travel purposes, right? By far, again, I think the battery is heavier than the drone itself. Yeah, the battery is definitely heavier than the drone itself. And the battery just kind of clicks in, gives the drone some weight. The battery just slides out. That's good. Lights on the front. Drone. Okay. So I'm going to imagine we fold the arms back in opposite directions to that of unfolding them. Alright, so there's that. Behind this weird stop thing was like an overlay or a template that has a picture of what all the buttons do. Like a quick take. I'm definitely gonna have to leave this here. So that's everything inside the box. The next order of business is to power everything up, charge everything up, go through the calibration, and give it a test flight. One slight correction to the controller in the video here. These are not for the phone, these are handlebars. And then this is the antenna. So where the phone goes is it kind of transformers out like this, and then there's a phone holder right here. I've got a spare phone here. The phone clips in like that, and then you can hold it like this and fly the thing. The overlay on, and Bob's your now you're flying a drone. And then when I'm all done, since I haven't made a case yet, it all just kind of goes back into its respective spots in the foam. I guess you could call this a unboxing video. The battery's on the charger, but the battery would go there. And then le drone would just slide in like that. Ta-da! Take this and put it on top, and then right into the box. So that's it. Okay, so thus concludes my unboxing video and test flight, getting used to the controls. If you liked what you see, more interested about drones, and what I'm going to use this drone for, hit a like button, drop a comment, subscribe. It's just one more camera in my arsenal for when I go out outdoors. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day.